how to create YouTube preview on Canva. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So I have a lot of tutorials about Canva, how to create logo for YouTube, how to make a watermark, and they had a lot of views, so I decided to create this tutorial about how to make these logos. I'll show you all the steps from scratch, how to do that, so you'll be able to do the same with your design, so you'll know all the steps. Maybe it will look a little bit different, but at least you'll be able to do that. So here we are on our Canva. As you can see, I'm on free version now, but you can also use a paid. So in today's video, I'll also use Canva. I'll search for some images through Google search, and also I have some footages I've found recently, so you can do the same. And what we need to do, we need to click on create design in the right top, and then we don't have like pre-created template, so we'll create it from scratch. Let's click on custom size, and here we need to input something like this. And units we need to select in pixels, so 1920 for 1080 pixels. Click on create new design. So we'll come to this page where we now have our workspace, and in the left side we can interact with different things. So now what I'm going to do, firstly, I am going to add a structure. So I will upload my own thing I've created recently. I'll show you. So I have it right up here. Yeah, back. So it's like a lot of different icons, and now I will just simply drag and drop it on my workspace. I want it to fill all the territory, so let it be like this. I will even increase the size, and now I have a background, so you can change the color if you want, but in my case I'm going to use this one here. The next step we can do is to add some additional figures. I'm going to add an element. I want to add this circle here, and I'm going to increase the size, and I'm going to basically place it right up here. So we need to change the color, but let's change it a little bit later when we'll add some additional things. So now we have all the parts here. Now let's add our Canva. So I will create a thumbnail for basically this video. So now I need a Canva logo. So I'm going to search for Canva logo PNG on Google search, and I'm going to use this picture here and also this picture here. So I'm going to copy it, and I'll just simply paste it right up here. And also let's take this one here, copy, and then just simply paste. So now we have two images. I'm going to resize them to make them look like one image together. So I will select, and also I will place it like this here. As you can see, nothing really hard. And the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add person. So I'm going to add one more file from my computer. I'm going to use this person here. So it's like free to use stock image. You can also do the same. We can paste him. I'm going to add it like this. So now let's also add some additional things inside of this circle, so we can increase the size basically. And also I want to change to add the color, so let's click on it, and then we can click on we can select from color palette. I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to add it back, and also I think that we need to move it a little bit to the right side. So let it be like this. And also I have this one here. So now what we need to do, I would like to add a text because people need to know what's this video about. Yeah, let's move it a little bit higher like this. So now we can add a text here. So let's find the necessary one. I'm going to add a huge text, and let's use this one, this font. So let's name it like thumbnail on Canva tutorial. Or I will just even delete on Canva because we have our image here. So I don't think that it will be like really important to tell. So now we can change the spacing between different letters, and also I want to decrease it like that. So now we can increase the size. And what I also want to do is maybe to experiment with our font. Probably we can try to make it look a little bit different. So let's try to do that. Maybe this one here. So let's try to see how will it look like. So sometimes we need to play with our fonts to make them better. So let it be like this, for example. Or maybe let's try to change to add something else. Maybe this one here. Also I want to change the alignment. Let it be probably like that. So now I want to add it to add YouTube logo. YouTube. So let it be this one here. Copy. We can add it now. And so we can try to create it like this probably. So maybe I will use Canva from here, increase the size. Here I will decrease the size, sorry. Like that, like that. And I would like to also add one more text. So let it be plus icon. And here we can add one more and let it be equal icon. And then I would like to add these wall screenshot or wall work. So to make it easier, I'm going to screenshot this part, but you can export and then add it to your work. I'm going to add it here. So now we have it like this. I'm going to add it right up here. And basically our thumbnail is now ready, but I want to try to interact with this image, and let's try to add the borders. So people will be able to see how will it look like. And also let's make it a little bit rounded like this. So now our video looks like this, pretty solid, I think. So let's now share. I'm going to download it in this format here. I'm going to click on download. So now everything is done and our thumbnail is ready. And now we are ready to upload this video on YouTube. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.